I got a red light. Red means go, I think. Oh yeah, Ringo, you know it. Oh. Okay, that's hard in the wet and the dry. I slid out just like that last time I did this one. It was wet. That's crazy. Yeah, I like that a lot. So do you know that rock that's up and over? It's like off camber. I like slid out. Did you guys slide out?
No, I didn't. No.
I'm like, when it was wet, I slid out. And then it was dry and I like, whoop. I didn't expect it to be slip. I'm slow though, man.
Well, this is the last little section, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, and I can't do some of these, so we'll find out. You sure, man?
Let me see if I can find the corner. Oh.
You really want me to go first?
Yeah, you, Mario, and I'll...
Let's do it, Mario. All right, boom. There is a section here that I know that I have not made a few times, so don't be on my 6, Mario. All right, here we go. Woo! Just a little rest here. Oh, I mostly made it. Well, that's the best I've ever made that. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I didn't quite make it. This one is hard too, you guys. Okay. Yeah. Mario, sorry if I stopped too hard a few times. Yeah, that's the best I've ever done it, you guys. That's the best I've ever done it.
It's awesome.